Hello, friends! Are you ready for a magical new adventure? Today, Dabdobo has a special surprise. A journey to the land of laughter, light, and lots of fun. Between tall trees and under the blue sky, a brand new letter is waiting for us. A letter that laughs, a letter that lifts. Can you guess it? Listen closely. Keep your eyes wide open, because the letter L is coming with full excitement. Let's go! Hello, my friends! Look at our new letter, L. This is the letter L. L is for lion. The lion is very strong and is the king of the jungle. Say it with me. L, lion, brave and strong. Look at this beautiful light. L is for light. Light helps us see everything around us. Let's say it together. L, light, lights up our life. Hey heroes, look at this bug. L is for ladybug. The ladybug is small, pretty, and good for plants. Say it with me. L, ladybug, small and colorful. Look at this sweet treat. L is for lollipop. A lollipop is sweet and tasty. Say it with me. L, lollipop, sweet and fun. Look at this green leaf. L is for leaf. A leaf helps the tree breathe. Say it with me. L, leaf, green and fresh. Wow! Look at this yellow fruit. L is for lemon. A lemon tastes sour, but it's healthy and good for us. A lemon tastes sour and tasty. Say it with me. L, lemon, sour and tasty. Hey heroes! Our journey with the letter L was full of laughter and sparkle. We saw shiny things and learned fun new words. But the adventure isn't over yet. More letters are waiting for us with even more surprises. If you loved this adventure, hit like and subscribe to the channel. And Dabdobo says, get ready for the next letter. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.